Tell me, can you see the stars? We're just running
Good
for
intro.
Not the worst intro.
Yeah. I would like to see a backlight. That's just extra production value.
Yeah. I mean, but also, like, I feel like his set is really nice for, like, the theme.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm a fan of that shaka behind the thumb. I'm a fan of that.
Shaka behind the thumb.
Yeah, dude. Like a little platform shaka.
Of course you like the depth.
Yeah. I feel like he's doing a lot here. You know, like the intro was kind of like, yeah, I'm gonna just do blah, blah, blah. You know, he's kind of just going into it.
For sure. Yeah. I feel like he's a bit angled though. That's the only thing for me. Like the camera awareness.
Gotta commit. Gotta commit to the moves a little bit longer. Yeah, we're like resetting here. That was a good hit.
I feel like there's so much potential, but he's moving too fast.
He's moving too much. Yeah. There's too much there's too much going on.
There's not enough focus on the like specific concept.
Yeah, not a lot of secondary movement or like utilization of this space. So it's very blended. There aren't like concrete hits where it's like, yeah, he's like hitting that, you know what I mean?
Well, there is like really concrete hits, but it's like in the flow.
In the flow?
Things.
I get it.
Yeah. Yeah, like that's solid.
The finger rolls are super clean though. Oh, they're nice.
Yeah.
For the most part.
I like that the trails like really take up the camera.
Yeah.
That to me was like really good use of the camera. But beyond that, it's a little crooked.
A little walkout, you know? Like a vibe at the ending, a little vibe outro.
A
little vibe right there. Rushing a lot, yeah. I think that there's a lot of potential in Sabertooth's show once he actually starts throwing like a performance. Because right now it just kind of just looks like gloving. You know what I mean?
Right now it looks like gloving.
Right now it just looks like gloving, right? Just gloving. But I think when you tackle a light show like it's a performance, like something, it's different than like just gloving, you know what I'm saying? Like there's a vibe, there's like you're setting the tone, you're setting the pace, right? But then it's kind of like gloving to the song, right? Which isn't bad, it's just placement and pacing, dumbing down your show, utilizing your space, I think.
Yeah, so like for me when I think about like gloving and like or even in like a competition setting or like trying to do just something right, I either think of it as am I gloving, like am I giving a light show or am I gloving?
Yeah
right.
Light show,
yeah,
right, like a show.
The intention
the
right. Entirety of it.
Yeah
Okay.
And that just kind of felt like a whole lot of
it's a lot of movement.
Nothing really felt all that intentional to make an impact.
Yeah, it's flowing. It's like flowing.
It felt like that'd be really cool to watch at a show, like at a fest.
Yeah. It's gotta come out. It's gotta come out and feel like a battle. Let's move on to Blight. You guys ready?
Is there?
Give us a countdown. We go.
I like that dramatic intro.
Yo!
Yeah, see, this is like this. Boom.
Yeah.
Oh, then we're just into it.
And it's like we were talking about.
Then we're just into it. Oh, that's an interesting use of the thumb there.
Yeah.
Look at that set, dude.
I
Ooh.
like how the lighting matches the set too. It kind of brings
Yeah.
out the like juxtaposition of the accelerometers.
Yeah, that is an accelerometer. I wonder what set that is. Wow.
I'm assuming the ethers, maybe like, or no, SE atoms or atoms.
Hey.
Is that smooth as foosh, dog?
Wow.
Let's go.
Oh, that's a sick. I'm usually not a fan of that move, but like the way that he did it was really well done. Like the spacing of it.
Yeah, the isolation.
Okay. Oh, some Shaka diagonals. Oh, everybody's doing Shakas today, bro. It's like
they know where you're
what are they
from.
trying to do?
Oh, win. They're trying to win, dog.
They're trying to. I'm not judging.
Yeah, we got two cats
is
that are
sick.
from here.
I really like his phrasing. Like it's really well. Like the pacing is really well done.
I'm gonna have nightmares of that one move he just did.
Could use a little bit more control, you know, like the hands. Some of the times he's like lingering, but I like the concepts. I like how like diverse it is.
Yeah, no, I mean, arguably there's some sway, but like it feels very intentional.
That was dope.
I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how the hell is he eating all those chips with his mask on? That's not important. What is important are these batteries, and these gloves, and these accessories. And you can get them all 10% off if you use the code ALOHANATION at glow-leds.com. I'm watching Fry.